Hello, good morning, and welcome back to an exciting episode of Craigslist Gems. I know, just what the universe and the internet both need, right? More of my dry sarcasm. But this really is a gem. Sometimes there is, strewn amid the rubble of mostly useless garbage, a fine ore that just can't be left untapped. So what do we have here surrounded by these useless steins and vases and belt buckles and duck cookie jars? A petrified dinosaur embryo head. The actual missing link between that which is anthropoloid and dinosaurs. California, PA, no less. See, I want to stay ahead of the curve because there could be like a geological gold rush that results from this. I mean, this is a massive find. I didn't know that there were petrified embryo heads right here in Pennsylvania, so close to home. I mean, we're part of an amazing history that science just doesn't even know about yet. Alright, but let's let the pictures do the talking. Oh yeah, that is definitely authentic. Yes, clearly it's petrified. You can see the ocular hole here, and notice the brow ridge in one continuous dinosaur-like formation. And clearly there's evidence of petrified nostril, mouth, and even a lower jaw that's entirely intact. This is quite a specimen. Oh, man, lucky find. And it's over 2.5 inches. Oh, wow. This could be the link that we've been looking for. Now, this is speculative, but I would assume that the vertebrae, the leftover cross-section of the spinal cord, would be somewhere in this region, but as it's well known, those are typically lost to time. So it's just been replaced by some type of mineral process. It's not really important. You can still clearly make out the shape of the dinosaur head if you think about it. But the devil is in the details, as they say, so let's take a look at the description and hear about the facts. Has not been authenticated, and I don't want to be bothered with a paleontologist. Paleontologist and dealers, theorizing the embryo was preserved due to eggshell and petrified process. Picked this up 39 years ago as a kid when parents pulled over off a highway in Arizona. Oh, so I guess this has nothing to do with Pennsylvania then. Yes, have held on to ever since as a display item. Now downsizing and need the cash. Will consider any and all offers but not giving away, knowing it's worth something to the right person. Thanks for interest. Well, I'm no expert, but I can say this with almost 100% certainty. That object is definitely the result of millions of years of geological process. And my heart goes out to the lucky buyer.